Hi, Sonia and Darren. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. What this Manchester woman found was that in their fervor to cut spending in Washington, that her government had abandoned her and her deployed spouse in their hour of need. In addition to serving in Desert Storm, Sergeant Major William Kenyon of Manchester has had 2 deployments to Afghanistan, more than 2.5 years away from Rachel Margaret.
My daughter was diagnosed in 2010 with autism while my husband was serving a deployment in Afghanistan, and I quickly found out what little services were available through the military's healthcare program called TRICARE.
Through social media, the couple quickly found out they were not the only ones abandoned by their government.
I've connected with hundreds, if not thousands, of military families with children on the spectrum. I learned it was even far beyond what my own struggle was, and it just moved me to want to really get these families what they need.
Hundreds of parents and experts in the field were at the state capitol today. For them, the situation was no surprise.
Unfortunately, no. We have had many instances where insurance companies for the general population have not provided those services.
Rachel complained to her congressman and found that it was all news to him as well.
I had no idea that TRICARE, especially with our men and women who serve in the military, was not giving the coverage that these kids were needing.
Today, Larson announced that federal legislation, inspired by Rachel's plight, has passed the House, and now TRICARE will cover the service for both active military and retired military personnel. So now the legislation requiring this coverage for these military families was successfully included in a defense authorization bill last week. And you can get more information on this by coming to our website, WTNH.com. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.